In this video, we will be telling about how to edit message in WhatsApp after sending that message. For this, we are not using any third-party application. We are using official WhatsApp application. But one important thing you should keep in mind is that now this feature is available only for beta testers. After sometimes this feature will be available for everyone. So even after following every step that I am going to tell and you are not able to edit WhatsApp message, what you need to do is you need to join WhatsApp beta program. We have done one video about how to join WhatsApp beta program. You can watch that video and join WhatsApp beta program if this feature is not there in your smartphone. Anyways, to edit any message, what you need to do is take your smartphone and after that open WhatsApp application. After opening WhatsApp application, open any chat. After opening chat, for example, I am sending one message. After typing that message, I am sending this message and now that message is sent. After that, to edit this message, what you need to do is long press on that message. After long pressing on that message, above you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots and here you can see edit option. Click on edit. Now from here you can edit this message. I am editing this message and changing this message. After that, here you can see tick button. After that, click on this tick button. When you are clicking on that tick button, that message will be edited. Now you can see that this message has been changed. Previously it was 1111 and now it is 77777. Now the message is different. And one thing is that if you are editing message in WhatsApp, edited label will be there on that message. Down here you can see edited. So if you are seeing that edited label, you can understand that that message was edited. So this way you can easily edit message in WhatsApp after sending. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.